Scorpio Nations, welcome back again to my channel and to your reading. Hope you guys are doing great today wherever you are in the world. Thank you for supporting to my channel and thanks as well for joining me here, especially to all my soul family and soul tribes. You are all highly appreciated. If you are new here, welcome. Crosswatchers are also welcome. This is not your personal reading, guys, so please do not manifest the energy of others. And I am reading with Scorpio who is on the right path. This is not for all Scorpios. Universal energy for the star sign of Scorpio. Give me that accurate and clear reading, please. Show me the cards what I need to see. The past, the present, the future, and the outcome of this reading. About love, money, career, business, and studies. Divine God and Goddess of all beings, divine ancestors, divine spirits, spirits of all animals. Show me the cards what I need to see for the star sign of Scorpio. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. If it will not happen directly to you guys, the energy could be happen to the people around you, in your family, in your workplace, in your friend circle, your partner, your ex, or in the community. For instance, your neighbors or in the society where you belong. So please do not assume the energy of others and use your own discernment since this is not your personal reading. Universal energy for the star sign of Scorpio. Give me that accurate and clear reading, please. Show me the cards what I need to see for the star sign of Scorpio. Whoever sent negative energy to me and my whole collectives, I return back the negative energy right now, immediately, and to 100 times. In the name of the Divine Most High, Amen. Let me see your high energy, intense, magnetic, sexy, and powerful reading for today, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. I hope you're doing great. This is your reading for January 2026, which is now. Today is January 2026. January 14? Yes. First, we have the Two of Wands. This is an Aries energy. You could be dealing or attracting an Aries, not necessary, could also be any other sign or a fire sign. You manage to put your own destiny in your own hands. For some of you guys, you are hatching many ideas. You realize that there are people in the past who tried to steal your ideas, who are not reciprocating your work, your value. And that's why this is your energy. You're hatching many ideas. For some of you guys, these are also the people in the past who didn't want you to stand in your integrity, to be an independent person for whatever reason, because of jealousy and envy. Could also that this person or group of people are collaborating against you. Could also be the power of two or a couple. And now, they have seen your worth, your value. In the past, they believe that you cannot create anything, that you can do nothing. I told you, if this is somebody in your life, this person is now decided. Could also be that the marriage of this person is over and this person wants to approach you. Could also that this is your ex who betrayed you with other partner and now your ex have seen your value. Your ex realized that the grass aren't greener on the other pasture, but the grasses are greener on your side. Could also that your ex betrayed you at a one-night stand and they are not choosing you in the past. Instead, they choose the other person. Not necessarily a lover, could also be in your family or a group of people. The power of two who are collaborating against you. There could be a significant meaning for you with the number 2, 2022. Please pay attention. The universe wants to tell you that you are on the alignment of your purpose. This could also be your soulmate who turns into your enemy because somebody has manipulating the situation. I told you, a soulmate is not necessarily a lover. Could also be a friend or a family. Somebody has decided to approach you. This person is admiring you. Could also that this is a new person who is now ended the situation in the past. And that's why they are now ready to approach you. They still thinking, should I go or should I stay? But I feel like for most of you guys, this person knew you already. In the past, I feel like this person blinded with another person or group of people who are manipulating them. Now they have seen of who you are. This person is adoring and admiring you. Could be an air sign. Sorry, why air sign? Could also be an air sign. This is normally an Aries, a fire sign. Or you are dealing with Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Could also be any other sign, the power of two or a couple. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls. Scorpio, let me see. Your challenge in this reading is the Magician. A Virgo is involved here and a Gemini. Not necessary, could also be any other sign. He wants to talk with you. Somebody here perceive you that you are a powerful person. Be very mindful because a magician could also be a trickery. That's why be very strategic, especially if you are going to communicate with this person, if you are going to deal with them. Either a Virgo, a Gemini is involved, an Aries, or a fire sign. Could also be any other sign. I told you. The universe wants to tell you as well that you are divinely supported here. With the air, the earth, the fire, and the water, there is a power within you. All you need to do is to take an action, to believe in yourself, to trust yourself, because if not, who else? There is a power within you. For some of you guys, you already used your power. You are a powerful person, whether you like it or not. Or somebody is scared to show their talents. You advise her to lose your fear, to eradicate your fear. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are a person who has lots of skills, knowledge, wisdom, talents, and you advise her to show it because this is the best time for you to show your skills, your talents. You are divinely guided here. You are on the right path. Number 2, you are on the alignment of your purpose. You could be dealing or attracting either a Virgo, Gemini, or a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. And this person wants to talk with you. If these are the past people, be very mindful. If this is a new person, they are now decided to talk with you. Could also be that this person is manifesting you in their lives. Others of you guys, these are the same people in the past who engaged you to a coven. They did witchcraft, black magic, money spells, sex spells, love spells, in order for you to be lustful to them, to be obsessed to them. Now, it backfires on them because for most of you, you are innocent. They did this to you out of jealousy and envy. I told you. It could also that this is a coven who engage you to this mockery because they wants to have an upgrade. And now they are being exposed. You are more powerful than them because these are also the same people in the past who perceive that you are nothing. There are people who are bragging that they are like this, they are like that, and for most of you, it could also be that you are silent. You are not bragging yourself that you can do this, you can do that. I am reading with Scorpio who is on the right path. And that's why they tried to throw you under the bus. For some of these people, they engage you to a witchcraft, they engage you to somebody else to stalk you, to lie on you. And now they're being exposed because, as I have said, you could be a person who is a magical. For some of these people, guys, they spread lies and rumors about you that you are an illusion, you are not real, you are doing magic with your life, and you do this because of money, because of fame. I told you. And now you come out as an independent person because you did it alone without this person or group of people. You managed to put your own destiny in your own hands, but still there are people who doesn't want you to be an independent person because they couldn't manipulate and control you. You are too strong and powerful than this person or group of people. That's why they come across into your life because they want your power. These are the people who are weak, or if they have power, they are not satisfied. For some of these people, guys, they abuse their power. I told you. That's why they engage you to a coven. They paid the coven to lie on you. Or this could also be the coven who are collaborating with this person or group of people. I told you. Now they wants to talk with you because they are being exposed. Others of you guys, this is related to your manifestations. The universe advised you to talk to them, to tell exactly about your manifestations, and to stay positive because everything is on the alignment of your purpose. There could also be a divine intervention happen here because somebody here is, they doesn't want you to be an independent person. Somebody here abusing their power. I told you. It could also that this is related to your work. That's why it could also be that your work there is a slow progress because somebody here is doing this or abusing their power because they couldn't handle that you are stronger than them. I told you. But you are on the alignment of your purpose. And that's why continue to do what you are doing because you are divinely guided and protected towards your journey. You are a great manifester. There are only people who are jealous on you because they couldn't do what you are doing. And that's why they tried to hold back your progress, your success, your ascension, your, promotion, because they are triggered that you managed to put your own destiny in your own hands. They couldn't control and manipulate you. You could also be dealing with a person who has an authority, or you are the one who's an authority. And there are people who painted illusion on you in the past out of jealousy and envy. Now he wants to talk with you. Take only what fits in your story. Let me see. The spiritual lesson here is the Ten of Pentacles. This is an earth sign energy. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Normally, this is the energy of Taurus. It doesn't matter. It could also be Virgo or Capricorn. This is a windfall or lump sum of money for some of you. It could also be that this is your ancestral blessings that can be passed to the next generation, not in the form of money, could also be a form of spiritual blessings. You are very abundant. For some of you guys, you are in this energy because you did your work. Or somebody here wants to invest with you because they perceive you that you can create a great things to become a successful person. This is related to your energy. There could also be a money involved here. Or somebody here is feeling entitled to your legacy. These are the same people who are not supporting you. This could also be an inheritance. Somebody passed away and you inherited a windfall and a lump sum of money. And there are people who is feeling entitled to it, or they are feeling to have it, that they will take everything from you. I told you. Because these are the people who are greedy. Money hungry, power hungry. For some of these people, guys, they have everything. But they are insatiable. This could also be a new person who wants to invest with you. or somebody here using their money and their power to stop your work because they doesn't want you to be an independent person. I told you. They perceive you that you are too strong and they wants to control you. That's why they tried harder to make the slow of your progress, especially if this is in your workplace. Or they are not giving you a promotion because they wants you to be weak, to be tired in order for you to give up. Remember, they wants to talk with you, be very strategic. I told you because they are triggered. I told you they're abusing their power. Somebody here wants to invest with you or wants to benefits with your work. And that's why they wants to talk with you. Or you are going to receive a windfall or lump sum of money. If you don't have no idea, this is not your energy. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls. Scorpio, let me see. The other past situation is the Ace of Wands. A fire sign is involved here. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, could also be any other sign. The sign come out in this reading. A fire sign and earth sign. A Virgo, Gemini is involved here, which is the Magician. This is related to your passion. Somebody here is adoring and admiring you. This person is passionately stalking you if you have platform in social media. Others of you guys, this is related to your lucky breaks because you use your passion. You manage to bring your dreams into a reality in align with your passion. You are very passionate and driven. And there are lots of people who are adoring and admiring you because for most of you, you are magnetic, mysterious, as a magician. In fact, the perceive you that you are doing magic with your life. I told you. Now he wants to talk. Somebody here could also be, betrayed you with a one night stand. Somebody here couldn't resist you. This person is adoring and admiring you. When I said adoring and admiring you, it doesn't mean that they loves you. This is, an infatuation and attraction. Or somebody had betrayed you with a one night stand. It could also that somebody perceived that the nature of your job is, Jezebel spirit. And that's why you have lots of money you earn. You earn from this person or group of people because they perceive you that you are selling your bodies to the different rich people or different people. I don't know. And now they're being exposed. The truth is you are a magical person. Of course you are. Because for some of these people, guys, they couldn't believe how did you do your life. How you managed to, to survive despite of what they have done. Others of you, you are no longer entertaining a player. I told you. You are using your passion in order to earn for your living. But you are not. What they said that you are Jezebel spirit. I never say that we are perfect. We are not perfect. But we are no longer dealing with the players anymore. And there are still people who are just talking about this, about that. I told you. Now, you manage to put your own destiny in your own hands. And he wants to talk with you. Others of you, you are no longer entertaining them because you have learned your lesson. Let me see. The current situation here is the Two of Cups. This is a Cancer energy or a water sign. Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. You could be dealing or attracting a water sign. Of course, not all of you. Could also be any other sign. Or this is your soulmate. A soulmate is not necessarily a lover. Could also be a friend or family. Could also be that your soulmate is involved with this mockery in the past. I told you, because somebody here is manipulating the situation. Somebody here gaslight you or this group of people to believe the lies about you. They painted an illusion and your soulmate is involved. I told you. That's why he wants to talk with you. This person wants to give you balance, give and take. This person perceives that you have a potential to become partner or a partner in investment, or a partner for life, or they perceive you that you have a past life connection. This person wants to tell you about their feelings towards you. They wants to talk with you face to face, eye to eye. They perceive, or this is really your soulmate. Take only what fits in your story. There could be a significant meaning for you with a number 2, 22. Number 20, please pay attention. I have dreamed this number, 22 and 20. I told you. This number appeared in my dream, and I have seen also a car in front of me when I was driving. I saw the number 20, the plate number 2220, and there was another car who overtake to my car, and the number is 1000, 1000. Please pay attention. There could be a significant meaning for you with this number, 1000 and 2220. This could also be your soulmate. Take only what fits in your story. This is the present situation, because somebody wants to talk with you, to meet you face to face, eye to eye. Let me see. The future situation is the 10 of Cups. Somebody here wants to fulfill your happily ever after. If you are single, negotiable, ready to mingle, this person wants to build a solid and strong foundation, a family with you, to have a child with you. Could be a water sign, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Could also be any other sign. The sign involved in this reading, fire sign, Gemini, Virgo, earth sign, a water sign. It could also that this is in your family who wants to harmonize the relationship between you and them, especially if you have grudges or misunderstanding. Your family wants to support you now because they have seen your success, your abundance, because they are feeling entitled to your legacy. In the past, they are not supporting you. Now they want to tell you, Scorpio, we are here to support you. We are family. Could also be a couple or the power of two involved in the situation. Somebody here wants to harmonize the relationship between you and them. If this is your partner wants to have harmony in a relationship, more harmony. And somebody here wants to apologize. And it's up to you if you're going to accept them back in your life. I don't know your whole story. Or this is a new person who perceive you that you are their soulmate. They are manifesting you in their lives. And they want to fulfill your happily ever after, to give you everything. They are now realizing that they couldn't buy the happily ever after. Could also be that your soulmate is a rich person, or you are the one who is a rich person, and they realize that they couldn't buy the happily ever after. I told you. Take only what fits in your story. There could be a significant meaning for you with the number 10, number 20, 10 plus 10, the 10 of, this is a completion, the 10 of Pentacles and the 10 of Cups. I told you, this person wants to give you everything, because this is your soulmate. They are manifesting you in their lives. They are feeling sorry for the participation of the mockery in the past. The people who painted illusion on you. You could be born in the 10th of the month or in October. A Capricorn is involved here as well, or a water sign, a fire sign, and an earth sign. Let me see. Your attitude is the 8 of Wands. There could be lots of travels here. Somebody here wants to travel. This is a long journey over water. Somebody wants to travel towards on you, or you are the one to them. This is related as well to your leveling ups, promotion, ascension. I told you, or this person wants to uplift you because they are now realizing that you are their soulmate. That's why somebody wants to approach you, to talk with you. If these are the past people, nevertheless, be very mindful and be very strategic. I told you. Sagittarius is involved here, or these are the group of people who are collaborating against you to stop your ascension, your progress, your promotion. This could also be in your workplace. They doesn't want you to have promotion. They're only using and abusing you. A minimum of 8 years, 10 years, 2 years. Oh my gosh, go and help yourself whoever you are. Now that you managed to put your own destiny in your own hands, they wants to send you a message because they wants to tell you, Scorpio, we are here to support you. We are here, your allies. For some of these people, it's too late. I told you. You have lots here of promotion leveling ups, or this person wants to level you up. Whatever they have done on you, rest assured that they are now reaping what they sow. Because number 8 is what goes around came back around. There could be a significant meaning for you with the number 8, 80, 88. Please pay attention. 888 is your abundance. This is your transformation, your blessings. A Leo, a Scorpio is involved in the situation. 8 plus 8 is 16. There could be a significant meaning for you as well with the number 16, 61, number 1, 11, 11, 66, 60, number 6. This could also be your friends who turn into an enemies, or your co-workers who turn into your enemies because of jealousy and envy. Could also be in your family or in the society, your neighbors. I told you. That's why they wants to talk with you, because they have seen your ascension and they wants to be the part of it. They wants to invest with you for some of these people. Others of these people as well, they are your past life family, soulmate, twin flame. Because they are now experiencing the karma while you are ascended. Take only what fits in your story. 8228 is significant on this reading. 28 is my birthday. 1881. Please pay attention. This is also a significant number in this reading. Let me see. The outside influencer is they couldn't sleep. They are stressing over you. They couldn't get you out of their mind. For some of these people, guys, their guilt eating them alive. You are their worst nightmare. I don't know what they have done on you. This is also the part of their karma, because number 8 is what goes around, come back around. An air sign is involved here. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. There could be a significant meaning for you with the number 9, 90, 99, 98, 89, 92, 29 is also significant in this reading. And I feel like for some of you guys, this person could also be, they are stressing because they couldn't imagine how you survived the attack, the mockery. I told you. These are the group of people as well who are bullying you, who spread lies and rumors about you, who backstab you to the limits with the 9 of swords. These are the people who are painted illusion on you for whatever reason because of jealousy and envy. I told you. I am reading with Scorpio who is on the right path, because there is a Scorpio involved here who is collaborating with this group of people. That's why I said this is not for all Scorpio. That's why they wants to talk with you, because they couldn't get you out of their mind. Or your soulmate and twin flame is involved in this particular situation. This could also be a new person who is just talking on you, and they perceive that you are your soulmate, their soulmate. I told you. For some of these people, these are the group of people who are collaborating against you. The mockery, the slander, the illusion depended on you are now exposed. They couldn't imagine how did you come out at the top of your game. For most of you guys, you could also be a choosing one. Of course, not all of you. And you encounter, you meet this person or group of people because you are the catalyst. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Let me see. Your hopes and fears is the 5 of Pentacles. They are feeling not enough because you outshine them. I told you. They feel left out in the cold, abandoned, rejected by you. Or these are The people who prayed for your downfall, and now they are the one who is experiencing this. For some of these people, guys, they are rejected with their partner, with their family. There could be lots of rejection here, or they are, I mean, feeling abandoned. I mean, their lives crumbling down, their partnership is over, they have divorce, and their friends, family are rejecting them because this is one of their wishes on you. They are now experiencing crisis because they are praying for your downfall. For some of these people, these are the people who tried to block your creativity, your work, your ascension, your promotion. It could also that this is in your workplace, who didn't give you a promotion even though you work hard because they are triggered. They knew that you can create great things. Others of you guys, you are no longer in this workplace, or you outshine them if you are still there. They're feeling not enough. That's why jealousy and envy is occurred in this scenario. They want you to be rejected. They are not supporting you in the past. Now they are feeling rejected because this is one of their wishes on you. An earth sign is involved here. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. These are also the same people who wants you to work and work, and be wants to enjoy the fruits of your labor, that you are always supporting them. You are awakened. They perceive you that you are stingy, you are selfish. You are not selfish, you are not stingy. You are prioritizing I mean, your payables. Could also that this person, a group of people, engage you to black magic, witchcraft in the coven as well, or this could also be a group of coven. I told you, who are now feeling not enough because you outshine them. For some of you guys, because this is one of their wishes on you and you are innocent, I am reading with Scorpio who is on the right path, the choosing one, and that's why it backfires on them. I told you. And now, they are the one who is experiencing this because this is one of their wishes on your right. Their lives are shambles. Separation, divorce, they are losing opportunity, they are losing their job, their home for coming against you. Because this is one of the wishes on you, that you have no work, you are rejected, you have no food, everything. Because these are the people who are manifesting the downfall of other people, who tried to swap your destiny. Because they believe that they are better than God. They are delusional and superficial because no one can swap the destiny of somebody else. This is only, I mean, superficial and delusional people. Now they're the one who is experiencing this. There could be a significant meaning with number 5, 50, 55. 59, 95, 58, 85, 15, 51, 52, 25. Please pay attention. An earth sign, an air sign is involved here. Let me see. The outcome here is the King of Cups. Now, they wants to offer you a cup of love. It could also that this person wants to tell you about their deep feelings towards you. The universe advises you to listen to your intuition because not all people who say they loves you, they really mean it. Do not second guess your gut instinct, especially if these are the past people. I told you. This person perceived that you are the divine counterpart. This person viewed you as well, that both of you having a potential to become partner, a lover or an investment partner. Take what resonates. Could be a water sign, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. Could also be any other sign. Could also that this is a matured father figure who wants to tell you about their feelings towards you. Both of you having an emotional intelligence because both of you undergone the same painful experience, the battles. This person have seen you that you have undergone through a lots of battles. This person wants to tell you how deep they loves you. They wants to offer you a support. Oh my gosh, this could also be your divine counterpart. Others of you guys, you have an emotional intelligence. You are the control of your life. No one can manipulate you. You are the control of your own emotion. And this person wants to tell you about their feelings, their deep feelings towards you. They wants to support you. Remember, somebody wants to give you everything. Happily ever after, to uplift you, to love you. everything, because this person is now awakened of who you are, or they are now awakened that you are their past life connection. I told you, a twin flame or a soulmate. Your first card is your first card begins with a two of wands and ended up with the king of cups. I told you, this person has already decided to approach you. And this is the outcome in this reading. Wow. Clarify me, Father. Why? Why the King of Cups in this reading? Please tell me more about the King of Cups, sir, please. It is clarified as the dog. You are the man's best friend. This person realized that you are a person that can be trusted. If these are the past people, they lost the man's best friend. Now, they wants to offer you a cup of love. They wants to tell you about their feelings. They wants to support you. You look. They realize now that you are a person that can be trusted, loyal, and honest. You look. That's why this person perceive you as their divine counterpart. They doesn't want to lose the man's best friend. There could be a significant meaning for you with the number 1881 is significant in this reading as well. Or it could also that this person having a pet at home, or you are the one. Others of you guys, if you have a pet at home, this is your divine ancestors who are protecting you. Clarify me, Father. Why? Why the two of cups in this reading, please? It is clarified as the tower. They are being exposed, or you hurt their ego. I told you what this is all about. Somebody could also be being exposed and they hurt their ego, or you are the one who exposed them. Take what's resonates because everyone is different. You could be dealing with a person, a group of people who are belong to an elite, or you are dealing with a person who is egoist, proud, because they are in the high society. And it could also be that the illusions depended on you are now being exposed. These are the trickery, lies, and manipulation. And involve your soulmate. I told you. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls. Scorpio, an Aries and a Scorpio, Cancer, Pisces is involved in a situation. Why the Magician in this reading, please? That is clarified as the cloud. Somebody here is, they doesn't know what to do because of the situation they participated in the past. There could be a vagueness in the situation, or somebody is confused. I told you, or they doesn't know what to do in the situation because they are participated in this situation. They are now being exposed. Or somebody has keeping secrets and they are now being exposed. Take what resonates. Why the 10 of Cups in this reading? It is clarified as the Star. You could be dealing with a person who's in the public eye, or you are the one who's in the public eye. Somebody here is awakened, enlightened by you. For some of these people, they are feeling inspired by you. They want to heal the old wounds, the grudges between you and them. This could also be the group of people in the public eye. I heard singer, celebrity, rock star, artist, performer. I don't know what this is all about. Could also be a group of people who are in the public eye. An elite group of people is involved here. An Aquarius is involved here. This person wants to fulfill your happily ever after. Could be an Aquarius or a water sign. Could also be any other sign. Take only what fits in your story. Could also be a person who is in the public eye. Clarify me, Father. Why do you want... I already clarified. Why the 9 of Swords in this reading, please? It is clarified as the child. There could be a significant meaning for you about a child, or they wants to show you your vulnerability. I told you. And they are now, they couldn't sleep. They are stressing over you. They couldn't get you out of their mind. They are anxious. for coming against you, or there is a child involved in this situation, or they wants you to be vulnerable to them, they wants to show you your innocence, or somebody who wants to have a child with you. There could be a child involved here. Clarify me, Father, why the Five of Pentacles in this reading, please? It is clarified as number 12, 12, 21 is significant in this reading. Number 1, 11, 11. Number 2, 2, 2, 21. They are talking on you. This could also be the group of people who are arguing because they participated in this particular situation. They are blaming one another. Your sibling is involved here. That's why they couldn't sleep. They are feeling rejected by you, because these are the people who only want you to support them and they are not supporting you. These are also the people who are praying for your downfall. They are gossiping on you. Includes your twin flame, who turns into karmic. That ends your readings for today. I hope you enjoy your reading. And if this resonates to you guys, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, comment, and share. Until the next time, I love you all. Bye.